welcome to our valuable parents. We are thrilled to have you here for the 7th annual day celebration of the New Era Public School, Yugakriti, Shaping an Era. Your presence makes this evening truly special. Thank you for being a part of our journey. Tonight, we celebrate talent, creativity, and the spirit of learning. Get ready for an unforgettable showcase. Yugakriti, where dreams meet destiny, and we are honored to share it with you. So enjoy the magic of Yugakriti. Let the celebration begin.
Now, we are honored to have our esteemed guest among us. So may I request our Hello. So may I request our respected parents to please join. So may I request our respected parents to please join us by standing at your respective place in making our honorable guests and dignitaries feel truly special as we escort them to the grand occasion. Please, parents, please stand at your place. Hello.
Kindly step forward
Hello.
and grace the occasion with your presence. With great pleasure, we invite all the respective guests and dignitaries to take their place of honor and bless Yugakriti with their presence. Give a big round of applause.
Please take your respective seats. Please take your respective seats. A very pleasant good evening to one and all. Honorable A very pleasant good evening to one and all. Honorable Chief Guest of this evening, Dr. Vishal Mehta Sir. Guest of Honor, CA Anubhav Jain Sir. Special guest, Dr. Snehal Joshi Ma'am. Our Honorable Director Sir, Mr. Manoj Budana Sir. Respected Chairman Sir, Mr. Deepak Kusmakar Sir. Respected Director, Mrs. Sarita Budana Ma'am. Respected Managing Director, Mrs. Ratna Kusmakar Ma'am. Respected Vice Principal, Mrs. Rajkumari Parihar Ma'am. Respected Principal, Mrs. Archana Tiwari Ma'am. Administrative Head, Mrs. Purnima Jain Ma'am. Principal of Campus 1, Mr. Devesh Vyas Sir. Vice Principal of Campus 1, Mrs. Sanjita Singh Ma'am. Administrative Head of Campus 1, Mrs. Ruchi Pundar Ma'am and Shri Ma'am. All in charges of Campus 1 and 2, entire team of the New Era Public School family, respected parents and dear students. I, Sonal Dubey, with my co-host Shawnita Panja, on behalf of the New Era Public School, we extend a warm welcome to all of you. Our privilege to have you here for a much-awaited 7th Annual Day celebration, Yugakriti Shaping an Era. सपनों को सजाए नन्हे कदम जब आए युगाकृति की ओर बाहें फैलाए स्वागत किया हमने प्रारंभ हुआ एक नया दौर जहां लगी है ABCD से AI तक की दौड़ संवरना भी यही है संभलना भी यही है युगाकृति की दौड़ में चलना भी यही है ना कोई पीछे रह जाए ना राह में कोई हारे साथ सभी को लेकर चले सपनों के उजियारे युगाकृति का यही संदेश यही भाव हमारा सबको संग लेकर बढ़ना यही उद्देश्य हमारा
This evening promises to be filled with enthusiasm, excitement, and of course, incredible performances. This annual function is a platform where students showcase their hard work they have put into their talent. This evening, we come together not only to celebrate our academic achievements, but also to honor the creativity, teamwork, and the passion of our students. Now, we are going to witness a variety of performances that reflect the true spirit of our school.
Honor is not bestowed by a badge alone. It is earned through responsibility, dedication, and leadership. As a token of respect and gratitude, we honor our esteemed guest with badges ceremony. Please accept this badge as a symbol of our appreciation for gracing this occasion.
With this badge, we warmly welcome you to this grand occasion, Yugakriti. Your presence adds grace and significance to our event.
We request all the dignitaries and esteemed guests to please take their respective seats. Please, sir, please, ma'am, take your respective seats.
The national anthem is a symbol of our nation's pride, honor, and the spirit that bind us together as Indian beyond all differences. As we stand together, let us honor the countless sacrifices that have shaped our freedom and reaffirm our commitment to the ideals of unity, integrity, and harmony.
May I request everyone present here to kindly stand at your respective place for the national anthem as a mark of respect and unity. Attention, stand at ease. Attention, get ready for the national anthem.
जनगणमनाधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्ज्वल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गावे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की
जय
Jai Hind. Thank you so much, all of you. Please take your respective place. युग बदलता है संकल्पों से और संकल्प आकार लेते हैं आकृति से। 7 वर्षों का यह सफ़र केवल समय का बीत जाना नहीं, बल्कि एक नए युग की रचना है। साधना की साई से हमने एक नई इबारत लिखी है। वक्त के कैनवास पर युगाकृति की सुंदर मूरत दिखी है। अंधेरों को चीर कर जो मशाल हम आज जलाएंगे, आने वाले सुनहरे कल में एक नया युग वही बनाएंगे, एक नया युग वही बनाएंगे।
With those soulful verses, we now move toward to the most auspicious moment of the evening. Lighting the lamp is a tribute to the power of knowledge and the victory of light over darkness. I request our honorable dignitaries and distinguished guests to please join us for the ceremonial lighting of the lamp. Please, sir, please, ma'am.
भारती तव शरणों प्रणमामः।
As the lamp is lit, may it spread the light of knowledge, wisdom, positivity, and guiding us towards a bright future. Kindly join us with a warm round of applause for the lamp lighting ceremony.
Now, may I request our respected administrative head, Mrs. Purnima Jain ma'am, to kindly come forward to pay tribute to the respected founders of the New Era Public School. Please, ma'am.
Honorable Chief Guest, Guest of Honor, invited dignitaries, esteemed member of the Management Committee, parents, teachers, and my dear students. A very warm good evening to one and all present here as we gather today to celebrate the 7th annual function of the New Era Public School. Yugakriti, shaping of an era. It's not only celebration, it is performance of values, vision and culture. The shades are institution. Today, I feel honored to speak about those guiding lights whose silent dedication has laid the foundation of our school. Our respected co-founders and respected families behind the noble vision. A true leader that does not stand in the spotlight, rather the build paths or other to walk on. Our respected co-founders represent such leadership grounded in value, rich in discipline and strong in determination. Their journey reminds us this institution are not built with bricks but the character, commitment and courage. संस्था के संस्थापक स्वर्गीय श्री जगदीश बुढ़ाना जी, स्वर्गीय श्री शिव कुष्माकर जी एवं स्वर्गीय श्री आशा कुष्माकर जी के चरणों में कोटि कोटि आत्मीय श्रद्धांजलि तथा श्रीमती हीरिया बुढ़ाना जी का हार्दिक अभिनंदन, जिनका ममत्वपूर्ण सानिध्य एवं मार्गदर्शन हमें आज भी प्राप्त हो रहा है। स्वर्गीय श्री जगदीश बुढ़ाना जी, स्वर्गीय श्री शिव कुष्माकर जी एवं स्वर्गीय श्री आशा कुष्माकर जी एक ऐसी प्रेरणा स्रोत विभूतियाँ थीं जिनकी दूरदृष्टि, अटूट इच्छा शक्ति, कर्तव्य निष्ठा, समर्पण एवं त्याग हमारे लिए अविस्मरणीय रहेंगे। उनके द्वारा स्थापित नैतिक मूल्यों और आदर्शों के आधार पर ही द न्यू एरा पब्लिक स्कूल का प्रबंधन आज अपने कर्तव्य पर निरंतर अग्रसर है। उनकी शिक्षाओं को आत्मसात करते हुए संस्था का संचालन सेवा, संस्कार और शिक्षा के पवित्र संकल्प के साथ किया जा रहा है। हम आशा करते हैं कि आप सभी का आशीर्वाद हमारे साथ बना रहे ताकि यहाँ से शिक्षित होकर निकलने वाली पीढ़ियाँ विद्यालय, समाज और देश का नाम रोशन करती रहे और उन्नति के शिखर को छुए। धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, ma'am, for paying this heartfelt tribute to our respected founders of the New Era Public School. We express our sincere gratitude for honoring their legacy and inspiring us to carry it forward with pride and commitment. Now, I would like to invite Khushi Khandelwal and Riya Tiwari to take over and carry forward the proceeding of the event.
Yogakriti.
Era.
Every beautiful journey begins with a warm welcome, and every memorable event begins with a melody.
Melody that carries the warm gratitude and the purest welcome for the each one sitting here.
Their words may be simple, but their feeling will flow like a soft breeze that will completely touching every heart in this auditorium.
And now with loves in their hearts,
Confidence in their steps, and dreams
in their voices, our children are ready to welcome you with full of excitement and thunder to present a welcome song. So let's give them a warm round of applause.
Now, may I request our Honorable Vice Principal, Mrs. Rajkumari Parihar ma'am, to kindly come forward and address the gathering. Please, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. Respected Chief Guest, Dr. Vishal Mehta, Principal of SKITM, Guest of Honor, Anubhav Jain sir, Founder of Vidyoday, Special Guest, Dr. Snehal, Assistant Professor S, SKITM, Honorable Director sir, Chairman Mr. Deepak Kusumakar, Director ma'am Sarita Budana, Managing Director Ratna Kusumakar, Principal Mrs. Archana Tiwari, Administrative Head Mrs. Purnima Jain, Principal of Campus 1 Devesh Vyas sir, Vice Principal of Campus 1 Mrs. Sanchita Singh, invited guests, parents of our beloved students, dedicated in charges, HODs, teachers and our young minds. A very good evening to all. This evening is very, very special, and it's my pleasure to be here in front of you to representing a school that speaks just quality and nothing else. In a very short period of time, school has established a strong identity across the entire western region and remarkable spirit of learning, discipline and creativity, and successfully completed 7 glorious years. New Era shapes not just mind but hearts, and it makes the New Era so special. And I extend a heartfelt and warm welcome on behalf of the entire New Era family to 7th annual function Yugakriti, shaping of an era. Yugakriti, it reflects the timeless journey of humanity and shaped new era by ideas, courage, creativity and by the young minds who dare to dream. Yugakriti, it provides a platform to students to express their confidence, creativity, discipline and teamwork. Today, Yugakriti beautifully weaves spiritual wisdom in Ganesh Vandana and Durga Puja, moral struggle in Samudra Manthan, physical and mental discipline in yoga, and courage and determination in Chava and Milkha, cultural roots and global unity in South folk and Mexican dance, bravery in horror and happiness in slow-mo dance. So I welcome you all in Yugakriti and feel truly privileged to have our invited guests with us for gracing this occasion and inspiring us with their presence. I am equally grateful to our managing committee whose visionary guidance and constant support have been the strongest pillar of our institution. Their belief in value-based and child-centered education continues to inspire us to aim higher every day. I also extend my heartfelt gratitude to our Reverend Principal whose dedication and guidance shapes the future of our students in every single day. I take this opportunity to appreciate our dedicated in charges, HODs and teachers who work tirelessly with commitment and passion to shape young minds. My special thanks to our parents for their trust, cooperation and constant support. Your presence gives strength to our bond and motivate us to work together and for bright future of our students. And our students who are the true star of this evening. So student, first of all, the future is not something we wait for. It is something we create. So let your thoughts be strong, your action meaningful and your value timeless. You are the Yugakriti, the shapers of young India, and you are the shapers of new era. With these words, I extend a heartfelt welcome to everyone present here and wish you an evening filled with joy, inspiration and unforgettable performances. As the performance unfolds, I am confident that you will witness a beautiful blend of talent, discipline and enthusiasm. So thank you everyone and have a delightful evening.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We sincerely thank our respected Vice Principal, ma'am, for her inspiring address. Your words of wisdom and encouragement have set a positive and uplifting tone for today's celebration. Please give a huge round of applause.
ईश्वर सत्य है सत्य ही शिव his innocence, his powerful dialogues, and evergreen songs that touched every generation from action to emotion.
So our next performance memorize us to the golden age of Bollywood.
To add more energy to the stage. So enjoy the joyful songs of Dharmendra, the He-Man of Indian film industry.
जो बीत गया है वो अब दौड़ना आएगा। इस दिल में सिवा तेरे कोई और ना आएगा, कोई और ना आएगा, कोई और ना आएगा, कोई और ना आएगा। यादों की बारात निकली है आज दिल के द्वारे, दिल के द्वारे। सपनों की शहनाई बीते दिलों को पुकारे, दिल के द्वारे। छेड़ो तराने मिलन के प्यारे प्यारे संग हमारे। छेड़ो तराने मिलन के प्यारे प्यारे संग हमारे। यादों की बारात निकली है आज दिल के द्वारे, दिल के द्वारे, दिल के द्वारे। ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे हम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे। ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे हम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे। तेरी जीत मेरी जीत, तेरी हार मेरी हार, सुन ए मेरे यार। तेरा गम मेरा गम, मेरी जान तेरी जान, ऐसा अपना प्यार। जान पे भी खेलेंगे, तेरे लिए ले लेंगे। जान पे भी खेलेंगे, तेरे लिए ले लेंगे सबसे दुश्मनी। ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे हम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे, तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे, तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे।
Dharmendra ji, a symbol of passion, dedication, and genuine artistry. His presence on screen has always touched hearts and will continue to do so forever. Let us honor this legend with a huge round of applause.
In our rich tradition, The guests are seen as blessing. To honor their presence, we choose the most delicate and vibrant creation of nature, flowers. Just like a flower spread its fragrance without being asked, our esteemed guests have spread the light of knowledge and excellence in their respective fields. We begin this auspicious occasion by warmly welcoming our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Vishal Mehta, sir. May I request our respected Director, sir, and Director, ma'am, to kindly honor the Chief Guest as a token of respect and gratitude. Please, sir, please, ma'am. Please give a big round of applause, everyone. We are deeply honored to have with us today our Honorable Guest of Honor, Mr. Abhinav Jain, sir. May I request our respected Chairman, sir, and Managing Director, ma'am, to kindly step forward and pay an honor as a mark of sincere respect and admiration. Please, sir, please, ma'am. Please give a big round of applause, everyone. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. We are immensely fortunate to have with us today our honorable special guest, Dr. Snehal Joshi ma'am. I now request our respected principal ma'am and vice principal ma'am to kindly step forward and pay an honor as a mark of our sincere admiration for her valuable presence. Please, ma'am. Please give a big round of applause.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is now my proud privilege to introduce a personality who truly embodies academic excellence, visionary leadership, and lifelong dedication to education. Honorable Chief Guest, Professor Dr. Vishal Mehta is a distinguished educationalist and eminent scholar in the field of commerce. At present, he is serving as the principal of the College of Professional Studies, ATC, SKITM, Indore. Prior to this, he rendered a decade of dedicated services as Vice Principal and Associate Professor of Commerce at St. Paul Institute of Professional Studies. Dr. Mehta is a recognized PhD guide in commerce by DAVV Indore. As he also served as a principal in charge and assistant professor at reputed institute like ILVA Commerce and Science College and MKHS Gujarati Girls College. A prolific research, he has more than 15 research papers published at national and international level. Dr. Mehta is also a celebrated author and co-author several academic books such as Maths Guru, Financial Management, Business Maths, etc. Academically, he holds a PhD in Commerce along with MCom, MBA in Finance, and MA in Economics, reflecting his deep and diverse scholarly foundation. Ladies and gentlemen, we are truly honored to have such an inspiring academician, administrator, and mentor among us. May I now request a huge round of applause as we warmly welcome our honorable chief guest. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Everyone, I am Dr. Shalini Sharma. It is my proud privilege to introduce our guest of honor for today's occasion, Mr. Anubhav Jain, a distinguished chartered accountant, educator, and mentor, widely respected for his exceptional contribution to education and the professional development of young India. A chartered accountant since 2005, he is a professional by qualification, but a teacher and mentor by passion. For over 21 years, he has been continuously engaged in teaching, guiding, and inspiring students to pursue excellence with integrity, discipline, and purpose. We are grateful to have you as our guest of honor in our function. Thank you, sir. Let us acknowledge the gracious presence of our guest of honor with a big round of applause.
Our esteemed guest, Dr. Snehal Joshi, a distinguished academician, entrepreneur, and social leader. Dr. Snehal Joshi is currently working as an assistant professor at SKITM College, Indore, where she is actively involved in teaching, mentoring students, and contributing towards academic excellence. It's our privilege to have you, ma'am, in our annual function. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your presence.
We are delighted to have with us today our respected special guest, Mr. Vinay Singh and Ritik sir. May I now request Prithviraj Singh Rathore sir to please kindly step forward and pay an honor as a mark of our sincere respect and admiration. Please, sir. Please give a big round of applause. Vision, dedication, and values defines a true leadership. We feel privileged to welcome the founder of the New Era Public School, Mrs. Hirya Budana ma'am, with this floral honor. As a mark of our respect and gratitude, I would like to request our administrative head Purnima Jain ma'am to please welcome ma'am. Please ma'am, give a big round of applause. With a symbolic gesture of appreciation, now I request our respected principal ma'am, Mrs. Archana Tiwari ma'am, to welcome our honorable director sir, Mr. Manoj Budana sir. Please ma'am, please give a huge round of applause. Carrying forward this tradition of respect, with a mark of honor, I request respected Vice Principal Mrs. Rajkumari Parihar ma'am to welcome our Honorable Chairman Sir Deepak Kusmakar sir. Please ma'am, give a huge round of applause. With a warm expression of request, I request our Administrative Head Mrs. Purnima Jain ma'am to please welcome our Honorable Director ma'am, Mrs. Sarita Budana ma'am. Please ma'am, give a huge round of applause. To signify our gratitude with a gesture of honor, I request our respected primary in charge, Mrs. Gayatri Kohode ma'am, to welcome our respected Managing Director, Mrs. Ratna Kusmakar ma'am. Please ma'am, give a huge round of applause everyone. With a respectful welcome, I request our Art and Craft in charge, Mrs. Mosmi Kulkarni ma'am, to welcome our Honorable Principal, Srimati Archana Tiwari ma'am. Please give a huge round of applause. Continuing the welcome ceremony with a symbol of appreciation, I request our respected pre-primary in charge, Mrs. Ranjana Dubey ma'am, to welcome our respected Vice Principal, Mrs. Rajkumari Parihar ma'am. Please give a big round of applause. With a warm gesture of gratitude, I request our respected Administrative Department, Mrs. Khushi Upadhyay ma'am, to welcome our respected Administrative Head, Mrs. Purnima Jain ma'am. Please ma'am, give a big round of applause. With a gracious expression of honor, I request our respected Administrative Department, Mrs. Bharti Verma ma'am, to welcome the respected Principal of Campus 1, Mr. Devesh Vyas sir. Please ma'am, please give a big round of applause. With great respect and warmth, I request our Administrative Department, Mrs. Khushi Upadhyay ma'am, to welcome our Vice Principal of Campus 1, Mrs. Sanchita Singh ma'am. Please ma'am, give a big round of applause. With warmth and due respect, I request our administrative department, Mrs. Bharti Verma ma'am, to welcome our respected administrative head of Campus 1, Mrs. Ruchi Pundar and Shri ma'am. Please ma'am, give a huge round of applause.
We sincerely thank our respected dignitaries and esteemed guests for graciously accepting our welcome.
Now, we invite Tanisha Mathi and Aishwarya Barange to lead us into the next segment of the program, the Ganesh Vandana. Now, I would like to request our administrative head Purnima Jain ma'am to welcome our pre-primary in charge of Campus 1. Please ma'am, please give a big round of applause. I would like to request Art and Craft in charge Mosmi Kulkarni ma'am to welcome Chaya ma'am. Please ma'am, please give a huge round of applause.
Thank you so much, our respected dignitaries and esteemed guests, for graciously accepting our welcome. Your presence and encouragement add immense value to this occasion. We are truly honored and grateful for your support and inspiration. Now, we invite Tanisha Maiti and Aishwarya Barange to lead us to the next segment of the program, the Ganesh Vandana.
Om Lambodharaya Parvati Sutaya Vakratundaya Mahakaya सिद्धिकायाय नमः। आज हम इस भव्य कार्यक्रम युगाकृति का शुभारंभ उनके आशीर्वाद के साथ कर रहे हैं, जो हर बाधा को दूर करते हैं और हर शुरुआत को शुभ बनाते हैं, जो प्रथम पूजनीय है और प्रथम आराध्य है, हमारे प्रिय श्री गणेश। उनकी लंबी सूंड और करुणामय दृष्टि हर भक्त के हृदय में विश्वास और ऊर्जा भर देती है।
So feel the air change, feel the every shift as we call upon the divine presence of Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles, the giver of wisdom, the guardian of every new journey.
This evening, stage prepares to shine as young mind and bright hearts. Get ready to enjoy the performance of Bappa, his curved trunk, his calm smile, and his eyes filled with endless compassion, and his feet blessing every single soul seated here with devotion in our voice and faith in our hearts.
So let the blessing begin and let the auspiciousness flow and let the
Bappa Moria
take this evening to his sacred embrace.
we present to you Ganesh Vandana.